Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Welltory Heart Monitor. But before we get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you have it opened up here on Google Play. So as you can see, about this app is it is your personalized health tracker app. Get more insights about your health with small heart rate monitor app, check heart rate, and a lot more. Now, do take note, guys, that this won't work if you have nothing like a smartwatch or your phone that that has something to actually detect your heart rate or your blood pressure or something. And even then, it's not very accurate. So, for example, you have an old phone and it doesn't have anything to monitor it with. This app won't work. Okay. So just to take that in mind. And as you can see from the reviews, it is actually rated 4.8 out of 5 stars. However, the recent reviews are actually pretty bad. So let's read some here. Worked great at the start, after a month, a low accuracy. Started using this after being recommended. This app has good potential. This app is blocked. So for example, it was good at the start and now it's blocked. After paying subscription and using the app, I've come to realize that it does not really offer much practical and usable information. Very good app, 5 star, 3 stars. So this app is a bit of a hit or miss since, like I said, it is not very accurate. But if you want to go ahead and try this app, there's no harm in trying it. However, I would advise you to actually just monitor it or buy like health products or like a blood pressure monitor instead of downloading this app and paying for it. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.